Hello YouTube, this is Scumboy9 giving you a little how-to with your controller. This is a controller I have customized with the spray paint. I did the up-down and cross thing. I did that, the gray, the eggshell kinda, like a I don't know, I did a coat of gray, and then I lightly sprayed some black, so it has this like water droplet kind of thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you can notice 9mm shells. Oh yeah, I think you can replace these with 12 gauge. I did that. That right over there. You can see that, just to make it blend, because this controller was white. Well, the inside, the guts of the controller was a black one, but the shell was a white one. That's why the triggers are black. I decided to keep them black because it looks cooler with the black than the white, and I really didn't want to mess with the triggers because they are a very, very weird thing to mess with, because they're just awkward. So we have this. I did not paint the battery box. I was stupid and did not. But you will need a miniature screwdriver set. I have Stanley. And you will need, well, there is a specific tool to fit these little things down in here, but I don't have it, and it costs money, because if you haven't noticed yet, in the back of the controller, right down there, like I just showed you, there is this weird temper-proof thing. It is a star sort of screwdriver point, but it's temper-proof, so it has a thing in the middle, a little metal piece, so that you can't mess with it. It's not meant to be opened. Like, you're not supposed to temper with it. That's why it's called temper-proof. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to break the law. Now, this little tiny tip right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, this is a flathead. I have a smallest thing I have. Smallest. This is a, let me see here, this is a 1.4mm flathead. So, here you go on the specifics. So we're going to take apart these. You gotta get it in between the thing. So you stick it down there and like that, and whenever it feels right, just start turning. And they're little tiny screws. I won't do it right now, but yes, I didn't want to go and buy something off the internet, so I'm like, wow, I had to find something that fits. It's temper-proof. These will work if you get one small enough. It'll save you lots of time, money, and all that. So just make sure that you don't go buy something unless you tried this and it doesn't work for some reason. It worked for me, and hopefully your controllers are the same. Now, I have one with the guts out right now, so I'm going to show you what the inside of the controller looks like. It's over here in my drawer. My little happy drawer. The guts, and let's go to butt. So I'll show you guys all these things look like. If you guys don't know, this is what it looks like. Pretty sweet setup. Looks pretty cool. I have the thumbsticks out of it. These little things down here are the vibrators. Yes, they're the rumblers. These are all your guts. I took the triggers out of this one. It's going to be a pain in the neck. These are those little buttons. Then let's see, this is the bottom, so it has all that. Then here's your, crap, where is it? Oh, there it is, the sync button. Now the actual X, A, B, and Y buttons are like this. They will come in there in your shell like this. And since this one is a Y, see there's these little tabs you can see there. There's little tabs that they're these little things, openings, and each of them is specific. You can't mix up a Y and a B button. A Y only fits in a Y. And it should go down there like that. This is what I'm working on. Should go down in there like that. See, it should slide freely. I'm gonna have to clean this one out. Get it used to it. And there you go. My socks. Yes, there you go. Now, if you wanted to do the 9mm, I will do a how-to on that. But this is just really to show you like how to open it. Let's go ahead and open one of the screws. So, see right here, I got this one right here. Okay, and if you may not know, there is a screw right there. Yes, right there. It'll be under some tape, something like that. And let's just go ahead and take this one out. Oh crap, no, let's take this one out. Get this one going earlier. So, I'm going to get it started in there. Whenever you know you got it. It's turning. Let's see if we got it. Well, let me just see here. Gemini Craft Math. Come on. Get it there just right, 'cause it's fitting in between stars, the star thing. So this is actual hacking. You can go say to your friends you were hacking today. Yes, well, it takes some time. Yes, you are using something that is different, and that one doesn't want to cooperate. It's not that big of a deal. Just make sure you do not forget that. You're like, oh man, dude, Scumboy9 lied. I gotta go do another video. Yeah, there's one under there. And make sure you do not lose any of the buttons. These are, and it's just do not lose any of the parts there. To these right here, there is two other small small screws that you do need to watch out for. They will get lost. They are really tiny. Really tiny. So, I think I'm going to leave it there. Please guys, rate, comment, subscribe, favorite if you want to. If you like this video, helped me out, I'd really like to hear about it. Yes. Doesn't mine look awesome? Now what I have on here, gray, black, and a whole bunch of clear coat. Thank you.